Good evening, everyone. We are the first batch of reporters from Socorro Cluster. Without further ado, let's start the discussion. For our objectives in the first topic, at the end of our discussion, you can identify the difference between receptive and expressive macro skills. And at the second topic, we expect from you as future educators to properly execute the strategies for developing the macro skill competencies in the English K-12 curriculum. Before we dive in, I am Jiminette Charlene Babaw. Let me first refresh your words. What is the definition of macro skills? Definition of macro skills. What are macro skills? Macro skills refer to the fundamental abilities required for effective communication, including listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Why are they important? Developing strong macro skills enables individuals to articulate their thoughts, clearly understand and interpret information, and engage in meaningful interaction. There are 4 originally macro skills. First is the listening. Listening, active thinking, and understanding of spoken language. So, ang una po sa macro skills, listening, ang halimbawa po nito ay kapag nag-aaral ka ng isang dialogo sa isang wika, mahalagang maging magaling kang tagapakinig upang maunawaan po natin ang salita at kahulugan nito. Second is the speaking. Express thoughts and ideas clearly and confidently. Speaking, so ang halimbawa po dito ay kapag nakikipag-usap po tayo sa isang tao, sa isang wika, mahalagang naipapahayag po natin ang ating saulobin at naunawaan po natin ang ating pong kausap. And the third is reading, decoding, and comprehending written language. Sa pagbabasa naman po o reading, ang halimbawa po dito ay kapag nagbabasa po tayo ng isang aklat sa isang wika, mahalagang naunawaan po natin ang salita at kahulugan ng ating binabasa. And the last is writing, articulating thoughts and ideas in a written form. At ang pang-apat po ay ang writing. So ang halimbawa naman po dito ay kapag sumusulat ka ng isang sanaysay sa isang wika, mahalagang maipahayag po natin ating kaisipan at maipakita po ang iyong kasanayan sa pagsulat. Next is the benefits of developing macro skills. Number 1, effective communication. Improving macro skills enhance communication effectiveness, allowing individuals to express themselves clearly and understand others better. Number 2, expanded knowledge. Developing macro skills enables individuals to access a wide range of information, explore diverse perspectives, and expand their knowledge base. Professional advancement. Proficient macro skills are valued in numerous professions, enhancing career prospects by facilitating effective collaboration and productivity. Next is the types of macro skills. Receptive skills, listening and reading, expressive skills, speaking and writing. So, yun lamang po ang aking pong maibabahagi na sa aking report po na patungkol po sa macro skills. Salamat po and God bless.